Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Thanks to my coworker Josh, whose Instagram will be linked in the description below. We have the 2011 Mitsubishi Evo GSR. I've never driven an Evo up until this point. And as soon as Josh heard that, he said, hey, why don't you take this one out for a spin? Which, Josh, you left me with no gas, bud. Come on, man. I don't care. As long as I don't run out, I'm fine. I drove it a little bit to get used to the car, to warm up the car, and this thing is a riot to drive. So let's go ahead here, pop this on. So STM, recirc downpipe, AMS test pipes, K&N intake, Borla cat pack. So very, very basic mods, basic bolt-ons. Check engine lights from your recirc test pipe and all that jazz. But one thing I've noticed, this gas pedal is super touchy, but to be honest with you, I like it that way. That was the first time I floored it. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, the gears are so close. Except for fourth and fifth, those are worlds apart. Oh wow, okay. Yeah, this is cool. What are you talking about, Josh? This is slow. Come on, man, this is fun. That's coming from a guy who dailies a Hellcat. Come on now. Pedals are perfect for heel toe. right, Josh, come on, man. You're telling me this isn't fast? Dude, this is fun. I like this better than the STI. I don't care what people say because I said that. I like it better than the STI. So, you know what? I don't care. People can hate on me for that. This is way more character. Way more character. Josh, thanks, man, for letting me take this thing out. This is fun. This is really fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.